What's up guys, have to make a character move player for a hyper casual game runner. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started! Now start by creating a small level like road and environment. Next, create a player with minimal settings. Next, we set up the camera. I recommended that you immediately abandon the usual camera and go straight to Cinemachine and set it up. It will be much faster. Now let's create a character control custom, and we will try to write it right away and abandon one class that controls everything. We create a movement interface, and now we can easily change the behavior of the player during the game for different variations. Cool, now our character will move straight, and we didn't spend a lot of time on it. For the initial game we are creating a top level class that will share the responsibility between the classes, but there are much better options that we will cover in the following videos. Now let's create a player when loading the game and assign into the camera. Now the most important thing, we create a movement to the side. There are different options, but for now let's go with one of them and use get mouse button up, get mouse button and get mouse button down. Here the most important thing is not to forget about the different permissions on devices, so that the character moves the same way. We will cover this version with Canvas in future videos. Now we add this control to our character and it works successfully, and now we can change it depending on the conditions. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments what you want to know in a short period of time.